So there is a very important part in the blood, that is the platelets. Platelets will help them to avoid the flow of blood, and they will block it, or you can say plug the flow of blood by clotting the blood at the point of injury. Fine. So platelets become very important. So please write the topic, subtopic, platelets. Platelets. To avoid the blood, to avoid the blood from flowing, from flowing profusely, profusely, profusely due to an injury, injury, due to an injury, the blood has the blood has platelet cells. The blood has platelet cells which circulate around the body, which circulate around the body, and plug these leaks, and plug these leaks, and plug these leaks by helping to clot the blood, by helping to clot the blood, to clot the blood in these points of injury, in these points of injury. Fine. Now we'll have a next subtopic, that is lymph. अभी हमको समझा कि what are platelets. Platelets will help during the injury, है ना? And what about the lymph? What is lymph? Lymph is another fluid like blood which is present in the body, but it is not red in color, it is colorless, and it also runs through the body in a circulatory system, but it is not a closed circulatory system. जैसे कि हम एक कॉर्नर से दूसरी तरफ और दूसरे कॉर्नर से फिर पहली तरफ वापस आता रहता है ब्लड, हार्ट से लेके दूसरे ऑर्गन और ऑर्गन से लेके हार्ट. It is a called a closed circulatory system, but the same case is not there for lymph. It has an open circulatory system. It moves, yeah, it moves from one part of the body to the other. Okay, so that is a different it is similar to blood in case of the importance of a fluid which is present in the body, which is useful to boost your immune system, but it is not in the closed circulatory system, it is in the open circulatory system. There are various lymph nodes in the various parts of the body, okay, like around the neck, near the tonsils, and near your armpits, and near your groin area, and these are the different lymph nodes, and there are different organs also which uh, help in uh, circulating the lymph across the lymph vessels, and this helps in improving your immune system. So let us write the new subtopic. What will we write now? Lymph, Lymph. Lymph is another type of fluid, also called as tissue fluid. Also called as tissue fluid. It is similar to plasma of blood but colorless. It is similar to plasma of blood but colorless. Okay. Now write next topic. Distinguish between blood and lymph. Distinguish between blood and lymph. On the left hand side write blood and on the right hand side write lymph. Left hand side it contains plasma with proteins and RBC, WBC and blood platelets. Left hand side blood, it contains plasma with proteins and RBC, WBC and blood platelets. क्या क्या होगा ब्लड में? प्लाज्मा और बोलो आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसी, ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स. What about the lymph? Right hand side is lymph. It contains blood plasma. It contains blood plasma without blood proteins and some WBC. Without blood proteins and some WBC. Second point on the left hand side, red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. Red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. Red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. In RBC. In RBC. And right hand side, light yellow in color and does not contain RBC and does not contain RBC and hemoglobin. Third point, closed circulatory system. Left hand side, closed circulatory system. Right hand side, open circulatory system. Fourth one, left hand side, blood carries oxygen in the body. Right hand side, lymph does not carry oxygen. Fifth point, left hand side, transports various materials to the body. Right hand side, helps to build immunity. Left hand side, transports various materials to the body. Right hand side, helps to build immunity. Clear with you? Good enough? So now we'll start with a new topic, that is transportation in plants. Now what is transportation in plants? How does transportation in plants take place? Now what do you mean by transportation? Just like we have seen the flow of blood in the body of a human being, there is also something which is happening in the plants. Plants are also living animals, living, sorry, not animals, living beings. So in case of plants, what will they have? Do they have blood? आपने कभी कट करके देखा है ब्लड होता है क्या प्लांट में? नहीं ना. तो होता क्या है फिर वो, हाउ डू दे सर्वाइव विदाउट ब्लड? व्हाट इज देयर लाइफ लाइन? Water. Yes, food and water is their lifeline. And what is the water तो you can give, okay? And what about the food? Food कौन देता है उनको? सिर्फ पानी पे रहते हो. They prepare the own food. In fact, they only give us food, right? Fruits and vegetables. Okay. So that we are going to study. That एक तो हमने photosynthesis पढ़ा था. उसमें how they are preparing their own food by photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, and also in the presence of soil and water and presence of carbon dioxide, right? तो ये सब होता है. And it prepares its own food and survives. It grows. Food क्यों use किया करते हैं ये लोग? For the growth. There are different types of requirement of the body of the plant. That is, it could be movement. Movement मूव करता है क्या प्लांट एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे? नहीं. It will require this for growth. That is, the movement of the plant is for growth only, है ना? हाइट वाइज ग्रो होता है तो उसका मूवमेंट हाइट वाइज होता है या स्प्रेड होता है, तो हेल्थ वाइज शायद उसका है ना थिक हो जाता है. तो दैट इज हाउ इट इज ग्रोइंग. दैट इज द डेवलपमेंट. ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए उसका मूवमेंट होता है, अदरवाइज वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता नहीं है. हाँ, मैं तो ये से कि वी हैव स्टडीड समथिंग न्यू टुडे कि प्लांट्स आर आल्सो मूविंग. मूवमेंट के लिए उसको लगता है. दैट इज द ग्रोथ डिपेंडेंट मूवमेंट. So it is only for growth. Second thing what I want to tell you is कि अभी इसका food का क्या? Does it make the food and do what? How will it reach each and every part of the plant? Where is the food made? Mostly it is in the green parts of the plant where the photosynthesis is taking place, especially on the leaves, right? And after that, what is happening? The food is stored. It is supplied to different cells of the plant. That would be right from the leaves to the stems to the different branches and the roots and different parts of the plant where they will require the energy for any type of a movement related to growth and development. ये सब होने के बाद और भी कुछ फूड बच जाता है, तो दैट एक्स्ट्रा फूड इज स्टोर्ड इन द plant body in the different parts like fruits or in the roots. They save this for future requirement. ठीक है. So that is the thing. But now what is our topic for today? The topic is transportation. So we'll take a quick break for after 2 minutes and we'll log out. आपको same ID से log in करना है, ठीक है? Which I've already sent you. All the three meetings will be on the same ID. तो अभी हम इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और जानते हैं कि अगर प्लांट्स स्टेशनरी है तो वो यूज कैसे करते हैं. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ट्रांसपोर्टेशन? है ना, आप बोलोगे कि आप अभी कह रहे हो कि प्लांट्स आर नॉट मोबाइल, दे आर नॉट मूविंग, दे आर स्टेशनरी, दे आर फिक्स्ड इन वन प्लेस. एंड नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टीच मी द टॉपिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन प्लांट. अगर प्लांट्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, no, we are not talking about that PMT or bus or auto, or cab or car. Huh? We are talking about, what are we talking about? We are talking about the circulation in the plants. Plants में भी circulation होगा. So that is the transportation. अभी ये transport किस चीज़ का होगा? Water और food का. तो अब ये कैसे होगा? How will be the water and food going to go ahead in the process of transportation? Can somebody tell me